This is the order your makeup goes in, especially as we mature, and why. SPF will be the last step of your skincare. It wraps it all in. Opt for a mineral SPF like in Beauty because it will not burn the eyes and it just protects your skin better. Primer is the first step of your makeup. SPF is the last step of your skincare, okay? We're going to use a nice blurring, hydrating primer today like Iconic London. Slop it all over with your hands. Then your foundation, okay? You do foundation before concealer because sometimes you put your concealer on and you wipe it back off and I don't want to work twice. A brush will give you a little more coverage and a sponge will make it a little more natural. Remember to dampen your sponge. Today I'm using a brush. Try not to get too much foundation over your eyes before concealer, but if you do, it's all right. Don't freak out, okay? I'm going to do corrector first to pull out any shadows. This is Doll 10 Rose Quartz, and then I will put concealer over it to blend. This is a pink corrector to pull out hollows. If you have a lot of blueness and darkness, you would use in here an orange corrector. Don't forget the eyelids, especially right in here. That makes us look super tired, so get out that shadow. Then I put the concealer right over it. Today we'll do Kosas. It's creamy, very easy to blend. And then you can use your finger or a nice dense brush and push. Don't rub, because if you rub too much, you can actually wipe the makeup away and then nothing's left. You wasted product and you wasted time. This next one's tricky. If you work with powders, you would set your face with your translucent powder, then go in with your bronzer and blush powders because powder blends nicer over powder. But if we're working with creams, you want to do creams with creams. Your cream bronzer or stick, I prefer to put on with a brush, would go on the cheekbones. You're getting a shaping and a warming up around the hairline, sides of the nose, if you desire. See how that pinches it? And if you have any issues here, a little under the jowl. Yeah, before you say anything, a contour does not have to be cool. So let's just move on. Now, cream blush goes right over that. They can marry happily together to lift the cheek. Done. Today, instead of eyeshadow, I'm just putting a little bronzer on my eyelids just to get any, like, hooding down and finish the look. Next, I do a pink powder, but I don't place it all over. I kind of go in the T-zone and around, not too much under the eye, right here. This is Doll 10 talc free. It's very important not to over powder as our skin gets mature or more texture. Eyeliner and mascara after you powder so they don't get dusty. Same for brows. If you powder over brows or put foundation over your brows, they could look like you put toothpaste on them. So do a brow gel after your makeup is set and powdered. Then fill in the holes with a pencil and just scribble through so it looks like real hair. Anastasia. Then lips, House Lab Guava. Setting spray. Today, Iconic London because she's glowy. All right, let's go. You got this.